Hi! Welcome back to my channel. I haven't shopped for clothes in like a long time. Hey, it's me, TJ. I'm back and I'm super excited because today I'm gonna try on some clothes for you. And I haven't done that in a while. And wait, is this my first clothing haul video? Is that what this is? I've been traveling for like the last 2 years-ish, and I literally only had one backpack. So now that I'm back in the US because of everything that's happening, I am buying clothes. I definitely need to up my basics again, so this is an amazing opportunity right now because my friends here at Fresh Clean Tees sent me a whole bunch of basic t-shirts and hoodies and things of that nature, which are really, really essential for any closet because you have to have good basic t-shirts, basic wear, basics, like, yeah, just the word basics. So Fresh Clean Tees is a company with one mission. They are trying to make basic shirts for men that aren't like $30 for one t-shirt, but also aren't poorly constructed, don't like destroy themselves after one wash in the washer and dryer, and that don't shrink. So really good mission statement. And if you have ever bought like t-shirts at other like large or fast fashion retailers, you know that that t-shirt is gonna look great for the first like 3 or 4 wears, but then slowly after that it deteriorates very, very quickly. I know that my washer and dryer are like monsters and they just rip it apart and then give it back to me and I'm wearing like a Baby Gap t-shirt. So it's really awesome that this company is focused in that, and I'm super excited to, one, feel how soft the cotton is and feel how it is on my body, because I think basic t-shirts can be styled really up and also styled really down for casual wear. So I'm going to be trying on a few different outfits in this video so you can see how I style these, and also tell you how I think the material feels. Yeah, so they sent me a big bag of clothes right here and I'm gonna open them, and it's time for this clothing haul to start. Woo! If it wasn't immediately clear, Fresh Clean Tees is sponsoring this video. Okay, let's see what we got. There's a lot of t-shirts and ooh, one hoodie on the table. Okay, so they sent me the basic 5-pack t-shirt crew neck, one hoodie, and a military split hem Longline green tee, and a white crew neck pocket t-shirt. So we're gonna see what all those look like. I'm gonna let you know how they feel, and then we're gonna try on some outfits. And it's gonna be fun. I'm super excited about it. Maybe I should make like some TikToks of it too. If you're not following me on TikTok and Instagram, then you're missing out. Okay, let's see what these feel like. This is the gray crew shirt. I'm just opening these like right now for the first time, so you are experiencing this unboxing at the same time I am. Nice. It is a tee. It is smells like a new t-shirt. It is soft, but I won't say it's like the softest t-shirt I've ever felt, but it definitely is way better than some of the other basic t-shirts that I bought at like those cheap retailers that I'm not gonna say. But yeah, they look nice, they look stretchy. I got a medium size because I like my shirts not too tight. I used to like them really tight, but I think fashion trends are changing. So yeah, so this is the gray basic tee, and I'll put that on in a second. Next up we have one of my favorite colors to wear, black. Oh, this is upside down. So this is the black tee. This one for some reason feels softer than the other one, but I think I'm just imagining that. But here is the black tee. And then there are a few other colors, so let me open those. We have the white. I am a sucker for a good white t-shirt, but I will say I have necklaces that I wear all the time, and this necklace always like leaves a big like gross metal mark on my t-shirts, so I go through a lot of white t-shirts pretty quickly. So I'm excited about a new white t-shirt that doesn't have that little mark on there. So this is the white, and then we have this dark gray color right here. Ta-da! This is the dark gray, which is good for those sweat stains. I think it'd be a really good gym shirt. That's what I'm imagining this one as. And then last up on the basic pack, the basic 5-pack is the color that I'm really excited about, and it is the sand. So it's like an off-white cream color. The exposure on the camera is probably making this look blaring white, but it is not. It is like a sand color, which I think will look really cool with linen outfits. So we'll see what that looks like when I pick an outfit for that. Next up we have, let's go to this long tee crew neck. So this is like a different style that's supposed to be like a little longer. I don't know if you've ever seen like the kind of like bowed bottom t-shirts that are like sit below the like hips and waist. So this one is that. It does look longer, which is cool. It'll give a little street style to it. And I like the color. It's like not so much army green because it's not that dark. It's a little light. Like if you had army green and then you just like brightened up the hue about like, I don't know, 10 notches. Is that a lot? I think 10 notches is a lot. Anyways, it is like an olive green color. Yeah. So there's that one. And then for the last t-shirt, we have another white one because, as you know, white t-shirts are my favorite, and this one has a pocket. I don't know if you can see the pocket because again, this exposure is really like bright, but yeah, there's a pocket right there, and there is that one. I think this one will be cool for casual, more casual outfits because I don't know, I feel like a pocket makes you like look more friendly and chill. I don't know why, but that's my theory. And last but not least, what I'm really kind of like digging and into, because I don't have that many good hoodies. You're looking at like one of my favorite and only hoodies. They're black hoodie. So this is a standard black hoodie from Fresh Clean Tees. Ta-da! So I'm really excited to figure out what outfit I'm gonna wear with this one. And all the other t-shirts pretty much feel the same in terms of the touch, but I always like to see if the inside of the hoodie is really soft because that's like the best part. And it is. Oh, this is really soft. I'm gonna like not take this hoodie off. Oh, I'm super excited to wear this one. Okay, so let me figure out what outfits I want to wear with a few of these, and let's go into a little fashion show. Here we go!
Okay, who's ready for this fashion show? So this first look is a summer day casual look. I styled this white pocket tee with some distressed shorts and an oversized flannel. This next outfit is a nod to a vintage style. I'm wearing some straight leg relaxed jeans and the heather gray crew neck. Next up, we have black pullover hoodie. I went for a streetwear look for this one. I threw a fanny pack over it for a little style, and I'm wearing some joggers and some Doc Martens. This outfit is casual, but a little more elevated. I love how this t-shirt sits a little lower, and I threw some ripped jeans and some Doc Martens on with this too. Next up, we have the sand crew neck. I paired this with some linen pants and some tan leather sandals, and this is a perfect look for a sunset at the beach. This next fit is great for some daytime get-togethers or vacation, some crazy pants with a nice white tee. We have some lounge wear next. This is a cozy little outfit, and you can also use this to go to the gym if you wanted. And last but not least, we have a fun streetwear outfit. I threw a bucket hat on over some cool pants, and I'm ready to go out. Okay, that's it for now. Thanks for watching my little fashion show, and use code TJ15 for a special little discount if you plan to buy some new t-shirts or hoodies.
That is the end of this video. Thank you for watching. Hopefully you got some style inspirations and you're inspired to get some new basic tees and hoodies. Anyways, thank you for watching. I appreciate all the love and support that you give me on all my social channels. If you're new, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. I try to answer as many as I can. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Okay, I will see you on the next one.